What if I told you Albert Einstein's genius might still be with us, but in a jar? Yes, you heard that right. In an unusual turn of events, Einstein's brain didn't accompany him to the grave. It instead embarked on a journey of its own, one filled with intrigue, controversy, and scientific discovery. In the immediate aftermath of Einstein's death, his brain was meticulously removed, weighed, and preserved. Tipping the scales at 1,230 grams, it was bathed in formalin to halt the degradation process. But here's where things get murky. This procedure, fascinating as it may be, was carried out without the explicit consent of the great physicist. This unconventional post-mortem has sparked debates that continue to this day. Was it a violation of Einstein's rights? Or was it a necessary step towards understanding the workings of a genius mind? Regardless of where you stand on this issue, there's no denying that it set the stage for an extraordinary scientific odyssey. And thus began the peculiar journey of Einstein's brain, a journey that would span decades and continents. For years, Einstein's brain was lost to science, until one day in 1978, an unexpected discovery turned the tides. The brain, dissected into several parts and preserved in formalin, resurfaced from the depths of obscurity. It's a remarkable twist of fate, isn't it? Just imagine the brain of one of the greatest minds in history, forgotten and then found again. From there, it embarked on a journey to the National Museum of Health and Medicine. Now, this wasn't your typical museum exhibit. This was the brain of Albert Einstein we're talking about. It wasn't merely a curiosity, it was a treasure trove of potential scientific insight. Fast forward to 2013, and segments of Einstein's brain took center stage at the Mutter Museum. There, behind protective glass, the brain that once pondered the mysteries of the universe was itself the subject of wonder and speculation. And so, Einstein's brain found a new home, a place where it could be studied and admired. So, what makes Einstein's brain so special, you might ask? Well, it's not your average brain, that's for sure. The scientific explorations into the mind of this genius have revealed some intriguing insights. Studies conducted on Einstein's brain have found an increased number of glial cells, particularly in the left inferior parietal area. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly are glial cells? They're cells in the brain that are thought to provide support and protection for neurons. So, more glial cells could potentially mean more support for brain functions. But that's not all. Further investigations have revealed differences in the size of neurons in the hippocampus, a part of the brain associated with memory and learning. The neurons in Einstein's brain were found to be different in size compared to an average brain. The question is, could these differences be one of the reasons behind Einstein's exceptional cognitive abilities? And let's not forget about the thickness of the corpus callosum in Einstein's brain. The corpus callosum is a thick band of nerve fibers that divides the cerebral cortex into the left and right cerebral hemispheres, and it connects these two hemispheres. In Einstein's brain, this was found to be thicker than usual. Some scientists speculate that this might have facilitated better communication between the two hemispheres of his brain, possibly contributing to his remarkable intellectual capabilities. However, these findings should be taken with a pinch of salt. While they are fascinating, there are limitations to these studies. For one, they are based on just one brain, Einstein's. To draw more concrete conclusions, more research is needed, involving a larger number of brains. In the end, it's clear that Einstein's brain was unique, much like the man himself. But the full extent of its uniqueness, and how it contributed to his genius, is still a puzzle waiting to be solved. It seems Einstein's brain is still teaching us about the mysteries of intelligence. And isn't that just like Einstein? To keep us questioning and exploring even decades after his passing? Fascinated by the wonders of the human brain? You're not alone. We're on a quest to unravel the mysteries and marvels of this intricate organ, one curiosity at a time. If you share this thirst for knowledge, consider giving us a thumbs up and sharing this video with others who might be intrigued. Subscribe to Brain Outside the Box and hit that bell icon. This way you won't miss out on our latest findings and explorations. Join us on this journey as we continue to explore the fascinating world of the brain. The story of Einstein's brain is a testament to his enduring impact on science. We've journeyed through its unusual post-mortem, its rediscovery, and the intriguing scientific findings. Each twist and turn in this saga stirs our curiosity, making us wonder about the relationship between this extraordinary brain and the genius it housed. Now, it's your turn to ponder. What are your thoughts about the mysteries surrounding Einstein's brain? Thank you for watching, and remember to think brain outside the box.